we were expecting the governor of Kajiado, because in our previous meeting he was summoned to appear before this committee, because we want him to produce evidence, document and information about Kisanju, because the residents of Kisanju, that is jamii bora Kisanju estate, had petitioned this Senate because they feel that they were conned, they feel that they gave money to an entity that is not giving them title deeds.
Representing jamii bora homeowners, and we are very disappointed with the county. We have been held in suspense for close to 20 years, no title deeds, tunachezewa mchezo, and we have confidence in this committee itamaliza hii mchezo wanacheza. The governor is playing a game on us. They have taken millions and millions of shillings from us. We have houses but no title deeds. Hatutaki kubomolewa kama Mavoko. We are afraid of that.
The governor has not showed up. The committee was waiting for him. We only received a call 45 minutes before the meeting started. And we had people who had come all the way from Kajiado. They wanted to hear what the governor had to say. The members of this committee had to leave what they were doing to come and listen to the governor. But having deliberated, we have invoked section 19(1) of the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act that says if a governor or if any witness does not appear before the committee, he can be either fined to an amount that is not exceeding $500,000 or arrested and brought to this committee. We had the option of doing those two things, to have the governor arrested to come here, but we have given him a suspended sentence of a fine of $500,000